Hey everyone, welcome to day number 19 of the 30-day meditation journey. I am so happy that you are here. We are getting near the end of our journey together. So we're in the last third of a third of our meditation journey. So, thank you for dedicating yourself to this, for learning this, for practicing this, for building a foundation in meditation. And if you are just joining us, welcome. Please go back to day number 1 for an introduction. And of course, you can start this meditation journey at any time. And also, I will leave a link in the description box below for my online workshops that are pre recorded, and you will have unlimited access of them. And they are just taking a deep dive into meditation and into self love because we seem to all need to learn how to love ourselves properly. So, now, get into a comfortable position where you will not be disturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can lie down, you can sit up, you can sit in a chair, on a meditation pillow, whatever is going to work for you. Just make sure that you are comfortable, that you are adjusting your clothing, and close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out. And another deep breath in through the nose. And sigh it out. And just continue to breathe. Just allowing that breath to flow through you. Starting at the top of your head, just allow that breath to move across the top of your head, down your face, and the back of your head. Just continue to breathe nice and easy, relaxing your body, your mind, your emotions. Allowing the breath to move across your neck and your throat. Relaxing with every breath. Allow that breath to move across your shoulders and your upper back. Down your arms. Into your wrists, hands, and fingers. Take another deep breath and allow your breath to flow across your chest and down your torso and down your back into your hips and pelvic area. Just continue to breathe nice and easy. No need to rush. Just relaxing and letting go as you inhale and exhale. Now move your breath across your legs, the backs of your legs, down into your knees, your lower legs, shins, calves. Continue to breathe, moving that breath into the ankles, feet, and toes. Take a deep breath in and out. Just releasing from head to toe. Now imagine a beautiful, light, luminescent, white light all around you, enveloping you. This light, it will take you on a journey. Imagine this light lifting you up off the ground as you're floating in the air. You begin to make your way up into the sky. This light is transporting you higher and higher. You are protected and you are safe and you are secure in this light. Continue to breathe as the light takes you higher, transporting you into the cosmos, into the universe, into the limitless universe. Now that you are floating around the cosmos, sense all around you. What do you feel? What do you see? What do you perceive? Just continue to breathe as you listen. You can surrender here. You are being lovingly held by the universal consciousness. Just allow this time to connect to everything and nothing all at once. You are part of this cosmos, this universal energy. Tap into your connection with this energy, breathing into it, allowing yourself to surrender. Hearing the voice of the inner guru, your intuition, your true voice, your divine self. Just continue to breathe, connecting with the cosmos, with everything, with the all that is, universal consciousness. And listen. Allow yourself to become one with the consciousness, the higher consciousness, with the cosmos, with the all that is, divine essence. Continue to breathe as you connect. Now, allow the light that is surrounding you to escort you back to Earth. Safely and securely back into your body, back into the space where you are meditating. And bring your awareness back into the room. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Rub your hands together and place them over your eyes. Inhaling and exhaling. And when you are ready, open your eyes and remove your hands. Thank you for being here. Namaste.